Use 2 pieces of tape to attach each box to the longest edge of a 5 by 16 piece of plexiglass. Turn these sub-assemblies so the 5 by 16 piece of plexiglass is vertical. Position each sub-assembly so the boxes are on the outside of the plexiglass and there's a gap between the 2 pieces of plexiglass. Place the 2 7 by 9 inch pieces of plexiglass in between these vertically mounted 9 by 16 pieces of plexiglass. Line up the corners of the 7 by 9 pieces with the corners of the 9 by 16 pieces. This will leave a gap between the 2 7 by 9 inch pieces. Push in the 2 vertical plexiglass pieces to make a tight joint between the 7 by 9 pieces. Use a hot glue gun to add a seam of glue along where the 7 by 9 inch pieces meet the 9 by 16 inch pieces. Make 4 seams total. Take each 2 by 2 and 5/8 inch piece of plexiglass and glue it along the back corner of the assembly. Your longest side, the 2 by 5/8 inch side, should be against the 7 by 9 inch edge. Do this again for the second 2 by 2 and 5/8 inch piece of plexiglass. Again, make 2 seams of glue, one along the vertical piece and one along the piece on the table. Pick up the 9 by 20 inch piece of plexiglass, lay a line of glue along the edge of the 7 by 9 inch piece of plexiglass that does not have the 2 by 2 and 5/8 inch pieces on it. Lay the 9 by 20 inch piece of plexiglass against it, making a seam where the 2 edges meet. It should now be supported by the 2 by 2 5/8 inch pieces of plexiglass. Along where those edges meet, run a line of hot glue so this incline is secure against those 2 pieces. Remove the boxes and tape from the sub-assembly. Use a putty knife to help peel the sub-assembly off the surface that it may be stuck to. Work the putty knife underneath the 7 by 9 inch pieces of plexiglass to break any glue that is sticking it to the surface below it. Lift the entire sub-assembly off the table and turn it on its side. Take the 1 1/4 by 1 3/4 inch piece of plexiglass and run a bead of hot glue along its 2 longest edges. Push these 2 edges against the 2 pieces of plexiglass shown here, the 9 by 20 inch ramp or incline and the 9 by 7 piece of plexiglass on the back side of the shore incline assembly. This makes a center support for the incline Reinforce where these meet with another bead of glue if needed. You are now ready to add this subassembly to a wave tank. Secure a 9-inch piece of butyl tape to the underside of the shore incline assembly. Secure a second 9-inch piece of butyl tape against the front edge of the last oval panel on the bottom of the wave tank. It should run from the center of the wave tank to the wave bin edge. Place the short incline assembly into the wave tank so that the front edge of butyl tape is against the back edge of the third oval shape on the bottom of the wave bin. Press down on the entire platform to secure it against the wave bin. Place a 9-inch piece of duct tape across the front edge of the incline so that it covers the edge and makes contact with the bottom of the bin. Push down to seal it. The shore incline assembly is now secured to this wave tank.